Alrighty, so in this video we're going to talk about a APM 3.1 kit that I bought from eBay. I'll put the link below. You can buy it from any other store, that's fine, but this one comes with GPS and I think it's just what I need. Later on this video, after the unboxing, we're also going to talk about how to put it together and how to connect it to your computer and calibrate compass and see if the GPS is working, and yeah, later on we might be able to fly later on in the video series. So let's get straight to the point. So unboxing done. So you get firstly we get the little APM board. So what you got in here, it's your GPS connection. So basically the GPS that comes with it, it's a U-Block 7M, so it has a built-in compass as well, so you're gonna have the GPS and compass connections in the same connector over here. Then you got your USB port to connect to your computer. Then also you got your inputs. So these are your inputs that you can wire from your receiver, from your radio receiver to the board. Then you got your auxiliaries, so you can use these for other things, I don't know, at this stage. Then you got this is the power, so you can basically use a power little power board that comes with the APM. I'll go through it later on. So basically you can measure voltage and current, which is pretty handy, and then you can send that to an OSD, so you can see it on your screen if you're doing FPV. So that's really useful. And then you got your outputs over here, so you're gonna send these to your ESCs. Again, the way you power your board, you got like 3 different ways to power your board. We're gonna go later on how I'm gonna power this board, and I think it's the most efficient and safest way to do it. At the back you got another little port, and I think at this stage, this is telemetry. So basically you can communicate with this board without being connected to your computer through a USB, and then you transfer wirelessly to your computer on your drone, which is good. Now you got this base. I already put it together, so you got these rubbery things to solve vibration. They look okay. Then you got these little leggies things. I'll see how they put them once I finish assembling the frame. You can see that on the other videos. These are just a bunch of cables, basically cables that plug into the board. They just cables. You got these Arduino pins. Might be handy if that's your strategy to put your cables together. I haven't sorted out the way I'm gonna do it. I'll let you know later on. And then you got this little one in here. It's not that little actually. So this is the GPS module. It didn't come with this silicone kind of thing here. I put it myself. The reason is because I realized that as I was, putting this plate and moving, the cable was rotating inside, and then, all the contacts will break eventually. Also comes with this pole and these kind of base. So you basically put it over here, and then you just put it on your quadcopter. When you put it in your model, make sure that they're pointing in the same direction. Although the compass is going to be here, because this has a built-in compass as well, so you need to kind of break a jumper. I think it's jumper 1 or 2, I don't remember. I'll go through it later. But this has accelerometers as well, so you need to make sure that they both point in the same direction. Other than that, one important thing is that the cable is quite short. I'm not too happy about that. So for instance, if you want to put your board, your flight controller a little bit lower on the actual frame, and your GPS is going to be higher, it's going to be pretty hard to wire that up. It has to be pretty close, and I just don't like that. They should have just put an extra 5 cents of cable, and then we could have been happier. Other than that, that's how it goes. Yeah, I'll see you soon when we start putting it together, and later on in this video. Cheers.